Hey guys, welcome back to Vishwa Techloik YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use the copy trade option in the get.io. So before going to the video friends, still if you're not subscribed to our channel, make sure that you have been subscribed to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So before going to the video friends, still if you're not watch our playlist, dedicated playlist on the crypto using the get.io. So you can just once visit our channel and you can view this playlist friends. There are from the beginning if you are a beginner, so if you are trading in the crypto using the get.io, so you must watch this playlist friends. If you're not at sign up also, so I have been created a dedicated video for you, so you can see the video and you can follow it here. So here I have been created how you can sign up, and if you sign up, what are the benefits you will get, what are the bonus you will get if you sign up through our link. Bonus are going on through our link, so you can just follow our playlist and you can sign up. So if you want to sign up, I will give link in the description. You can just sign up and you can claim this bonus. So now let's get into the video. So I'm in the get.io app. So as you can see here in the left top corner, you can have an like copy trading option. Just tap on it. So once you tap on it, so here you can see the strategies friends. You can see the different strategies options in the get.io. So as you can see here, there is an like you can see the so many people are doing the copy trade here. So you can see the count also. So here the 948 and 1276 members have been copied this, and also you can go to the like filters like most profitable and most copied trade and yield amount. So you can see the all these friends, and make sure that so whenever you are trading in this, so you need to see the like how many people have been copied the trade and how many times the person is trading per day. So what is the is experience, so complete details you need to view, and also majorly so on which coin is going to trade. So first of all, so I will show you, for example here I will show you. So here there is an option called here, just I will tap on one of them. So randomly just I'm using this. So what I have to do is, so just here the number of copies, so 1278 copies has been done over here, and the strategy, so trades are 420 trades have been done, the 420 trades over here. And also the coins, which coin he is like coins held, so he is doing the trading on this both the coins. So you need to check this. So just to show you, I'm just I am applying for this. So and also you can see the sell and buy, how many times he sold the coin, how many times he bought the coin. So just I will click on. So and once you click, so here there is a minimum dollars friends you need to spend there. So every trade you need to spend minimum dollars. Here we need to spend the 20s. For another trade you may have the like $40 like that. So what I will do is I will just drag it and I will just create create strategy. So here you need to spend the, for this you need to like in the profits you need to share the 5%. It means that if you earn $100 from this trade, so you need to give $5 to the like a strategy creator. So just I will click on the create strategy. So once it is done, you need to enter the fund password here. So just I will enter the fund password and I will just confirm it. Click on the 100% and I will click on the create strategy. Here you need to think about the coins and the trades, how many people have been copied. So just in order to show you, I'm showing this option friend. So make sure that before, if you are doing the copy trade, so make sure that the which person is doing the trade, and also how many times he have been trading. You need to check all these things. So I will just click on the create strategy. So here I am I will enter manually here, like I will enter for the $21 and I will just click on the create strategy. So once it is done, so as you can see here, the strategy is created successfully. You can view the strategy from here. So how many profit, how many times you have been buy and sell the currency, and how much profit you earn from it, everything you can see every day. So if you want to cancel, you need to cancel manually. And also friends, if you're a truly beginner, you can just follow our playlist, and also I have been explained how you can withdraw the coin to the your bank account directly. So in this video, in this playlist, I have been explained already. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. And also if you're not yet joined our WhatsApp group crypto world, you can just join our WhatsApp group friends. So there I will be sharing all the airdrops and limited period offers I will be sharing over there. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.